Well, hello everyone. I'm back. The new proud American conservative. Yes, the new American became an American citizen last year. Very proud of that. And what time to become an American citizen, right? Man, it is getting crazy. And unfortunately, we haven't seen anything yet. Election is still a few weeks away. And I already know, a lot of you know, that neither party is going to accept the loss. So social unrest is going to get worse and worse. This is why I decided to leave Florida. I lived right on the beach, one of the most beautiful places in the world, probably. If not in the world, definitely in United States. And I've been through a lot of different states, a lot of different places. And this Gulf Coast, the way the beach is, the white sand and kind of like, you know, that green water look like, not dirty green, but you guys know what I'm talking about when you can see the bottom, even if it's, you know, 20, 30 feet deep. Just beautiful. All the restaurants, bars, all of that. It's too congested, and I knew that it was time to get out. So if you follow my blog, you saw a lot of videos from there, and right now you're watching my videos from a farm. Okay, it's not perfectly done yet. I'm working on it. I'm going to show you guys a couple of things we were able to do just in less than 2 weeks. And I'm excited. Getting a horse delivered today. Going to do a video on that. I cannot wait. So I have to do a little bit more fencing to make sure everything is, safe, good to go, and go from there. So I'm going to show you my barn here, and then I'm going to go over some plays I have in the market and what I see coming, etc., in case you missed a couple of my latest videos. So this is it right here. Obviously, it's still a lot of mess here. It's not completed. But I have, this structure was already here without the stalls, without the side, and without the back here. Working on a drainage system here, making sure that water doesn't come down from that hill and then basically flood the place. I'm going to show you here. That's basically it. One stall right here in case I put a horse or a cow here. Got a support right there, so they don't just bang through the metal. This one here is slightly different. It's because the door, the inside looks different if you notice. And this one is going to be for the goats. They like to climb, so you got to make sure there are no steps and it's at least 6 or 8 feet high, because goats are pretty good doing that. And then this one here is definitely going to be for the cows. We got extra support here. If you guys can see, this one is a double. And we got storage up there. I'm going to build a ladder here for hay. And then this side right here is going to be completed just like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 more stalls and go from there. Got a compost here, a shed, chicken coop back there. Got a furnace, outdoor generator as well. Yeah, so as you guys can see, a lot going on here. I've been here only a couple of weeks, and more videos to come on this. If anybody is interested in this homesteading, self-sufficiency, if you will, etc., farming, freedom, your own land. I have a lot of acreage here, close to 40 acres, 40. So looking for an ATV, four-wheeler today. That's going to be a lot of fun going around and make sure all the fencing is good to go. If you, like I said, continue following my blog, you will get to see everything that's going on with some financial advice too. If you're interested in any of that, you can also take a look at that, what I'm doing. You can follow me on social media. You'll know exactly where my entrances, exits out of the market are. If you listen to my latest videos, last 3 videos, I talked about, I took about 70% of cash out of the market, including the precious metals, gold mining sector, silver mining, etc., platinum, because I believe it could be a sell-off here coming up that's going to lead with a really, really big jump into the election. So I'm looking for an opportunity here. If it doesn't happen, I am pretty sure, based on probabilities, that we're going to have a sell-off after the election. So either way, I'm positioning myself with about 70% cash, sitting on the sidelines and waiting to make some purchases here. Definitely some long holds. I'm going to be looking into dividend-paying stocks, maybe some international ones as well, including a really solid gold mines, streamers, royalties. All of this will be posted down below my videos so you guys can see what my plan is. I always advise all of you to do your own research, think for yourself. I'm going to tell you why am I doing all this, what I see coming, and like I said again, how am I preparing for it. Don't do what I tell you, do your own research. I'm telling you what I'm doing. This is very important for you guys to understand. So there is no cry me a river down the road. Well, you told me about buying in right now and the market sold off, or this is all risky. That's why I always say you gotta have physical, hard, tangible assets, gold, silver, including platinum, in your own possession. That's first, especially gold. If you can't afford an ounce of gold, which is understandable because it's around $1,900 an ounce, and it was over $2,000 not long ago, you can maybe buy 5 grams or a gram of gold, whatever it is. You got to have it in your own possession. The more people talk negative about it, the more you need to look into it. Help me spread this word. It is not easy for me to kind of get into these YouTube algorithms unless you guys like the video, share it. If you like my content, if you don't, just put thumbs down. I'm a big boy, I can handle it. Tell me I don't know what I'm talking about. Whatever you think, it's perfectly fine with me. Just say something, and like I said, share these videos. My only position right now when it comes to precious metal sector is in Equinox Gold. EQX is the index. I will write it down below. It's trading around $12 right now a share, and I'm hoping for a 5% dip as gold and silver are getting a little bit of a hit today, but it's just not happening. It's not even 1% down, so I'm just kind of waiting and hoping that happens so I can add to my position. That's about it for me when it comes to the stock market. I'm just waiting to see this week how it plays out, and we'll go from there. I am on Twitter at TheNewAmerica77, at TheNewAmerica77, and on Parler at The New American Conservative. Take care. God bless you all.